Hi, thank you for visiting the Chuks Comedy Court channel. Chuks Comedy Court channel is dedicated to strictly comedy. We're gonna make you laugh like a sewing machine. You get what I'm saying? And that is what Chuks Comedy Court is all about. We have stand-up comedians, we have dramas, we have interviews, we have activities of different comedians from GH and from Nigeria. You get what I'm saying? That's what we're talking about.
Why are you coming back at this time of the night? I'm so sorry. You know what? I'm talking to champagne. You said no. Oh my God. You said you loved your husband. Oh my God. Oh my God. Me, buddy, get on my saying my wife is lovely.
Every video in this channel has been designed to throw you out of your room so you can be laughing.
So Fitz and then madam, please rest in peace.
What?
So don't forget to tell your friends because you've discovered the best comedy channel in GH. Subscribe now.
Let me hear you say Kia. Our economy is stabilized or what? Kia. Who said that beautiful sound? It sounds so original and Ghanaian. Can you please come? Give us a wave. Now you will stand there foolishly. Inspector, patrol arrest in a while.
So subscribe now for the best of comedy videos.
Say the family doctor come my house just to come test us, then see say pepper plenty pass the blood. Now they say they no fit test us again.
That is why I say Ronaldo is better than Messi because he goes with the balls everywhere.
Imagine what you get out of it, don't do my silly.
It's always said that experience is the best teacher. All those people who do suicide bombing and they die are fools. I cannot die in suicide bombing.